Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair using my Terra Veda Organix products. Stay tuned. So I'm starting off with the Curl Love Moisturizing Styler. This styler is very creamy, it is very moisturizing, and it definitely defined my curls right away. So for some extra hold and some extra definition, I'm going in with Curl Slayer, which is a curl definer. This gel is made with aloe and botanical extracts of sea moss, marshmallow, and flaxseed. This gel is so bomb, and as you can see, it is clumping and defining my curls. So I've twisted up and created some Bantu knots on the sides, and I'm doing 2-strand twists for the front and the back section of my hair. So I'm taking medium sections, making sure that it is completely detangled, and then I am doing a 2-strand twist about 80% of the way down, and then I am finger coiling the end. And I'll just be repeating these same steps throughout the rest of my hair. So now that my hair is all twisted, I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'll let the rest air dry overnight. So here we are the next day, ready for the takedown, and my twists are dry and ready. So I'm just going to unravel them, and as you can see, the definition is on point. So now I'm just going through and carefully unraveling each one of the twists. So now that the twists are unraveled, I'm just going to go in and separate about 2 to 3 times, depending on how big or small the section is. For some of the pieces, I'm twirling the ends around my finger just to keep that coil at the end. So here are my final results using my Terra Veda Organics products. Definitely loving this look. I do have a discount code that I will put down in the description box so that you can purchase these same products and save some money. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and as always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video. And let me know in the description box what style or what products you want to see me try next.